3, 2, 1. Hello everybody, welcome to the Cake Cooking Show. My name is Crab Cake.
My name is Rice Cake.
And today we are making brownies. So this is actually Lindsay's specialty because she likes baking and I like more cooking stuff. That's why in the last video I was doing most of the work and she kind of was standing around eating.
Yeah, but I was
croissants.
Yeah, actually I'm terrible at making brownies.
Anyway, we're making brownies today.
Every time it turns out it's chocolate soup, so.
Okay, so today we're making brownies. Only the elite can eat these brownies, and only the elite uses milk in their brownies instead of water.
We're such rebels. Yeah, it says water.
Yeah, I know.
But we're putting milk.
Goodness, we're so cool. So, okay, what did we do first? Remember, we post cooking things on Saturdays and baking things on Friday, and occasionally we do cook-offs. The next cooking on Saturday will be a cook-off. We're gonna do grilled cheese. We're gonna have someone taste test it. It's gonna be awesome. Okay. So,
we already preheated our oven to 350 degrees.
But
first we need to grease it.
Let's okay, so
where's the space?
Let's get started. No! I hold it while you you sprayed it all over me.
Sorry.
Oh, now it's like butter. Oh, what are we doing? The rule in Arcade Kitchen is you always have to wash your hands before doing this.
Bad boy.
So let's see after we wash our hands. There's no paper towels. Oh. So once your hands are now washed and dry, we're ready to start cooking. What is the first thing, Lindsay? First,
you simply dump out the box. Just dump it.
Okay. Good. There we go. We're professionals.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so once you poured out all your cake mix out of your bag,
then you gotta open this up.
Oh gosh. There you go. Now you have your chocolate mix and your
beautiful.
Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, Lindsay. So what's next? So now you get this egg and you crack it and
I'm gonna crack it.
Okay. Crack that egg. Ah! You dropped it everywhere. What's next? Oil.
It says water, but we do milk.
Lindsay, okay, so here's a fun fact on our cake cooking show. Did you know that if you get oil and you swish it in your mouth for 15 minutes, it'll take all the toxins out of your body?
Wow!
Ow! Okay, what is the next step, please? This is so suspenseful. Oh gosh, okay. Milk! So here's our mix of amazing stuff.
I'll beat it.
What is, no, we beat it together. 3, 2, 1. Really, that's all you got? Okay, so once you're done beating your eggs, now you have to get
scrape the sides.
Scrape the sides of the bowl that has the chocolate, and you just scrape it down.
Let me do this.
I'll do it. Lindsay, you're beating. Scrape the sides while the other person's beating slowly on a low thing. This is like the best idea we have ever had. Oh my gosh. You're like the best bakers. Okay, so once you're done mixing or beating your stuff,
you do this.
Now you have to pour it in the pan. Look at that. It's a little disgusting.
A little bit.
Now, once your little thing has been full of brownie mix, now you can lick and scoop off all the excess chocolate and eat it. 3, 2, 1. Ow.
It's chunky.
That's so bad. It's
yeah.
So once all this is done, you're ready to put it in the oven. Okay, so now that your brownie mix has been in the oven, now you set the time to, what is the time? Please tell me the time. I don't understand this. So now you put it into the oven for 37 minutes.
That's a long time.
37 minutes. And then you just simply wait. Okay, it's ready.
I got it.
Ooh, it looks good.
Whoa.
Look at your amazing brownies. Now that you're so impressed with how well you made your brownies, you're gonna
top them with powdered sugar.
Yes. Put the sugar. Oh. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. So good. Oh. So you have your amazing brownies. Yay! And now you have to wait for it to dry and stuff. Now we have our final product. Here are our brownies, and we're gonna cut them and take a bite. 3, 2, 1, go! Mmm, good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more recipes and foods. We do baking on Fridays and cooking on Saturdays. My name is Crab Cake.
My name's Red Cake.
And we'll see you guys later. Bye!